EasyStore's one-click migration tool seamlessly transfers your crucial data from J2Store, making platform switching easy and smooth with minimal disruption. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to effortlessly migrate your online store's information from J2Store to EasyStore. Before you begin, ensure you're using Joomla 4 or 5 and have installed the newest version of EasyStore. Once EasyStore is updated, you'll notice the Migrate to EasyStore notification on your Joomla dashboard. But before migrating, let's review the data that will be transferred from J2Store to EasyStore. Within J2Store, we've our list of products, complete with their variants, prices, SKUs, and additional details. Apart from products, we also have data on orders, customers, coupons, tags, and categories. All of this valuable information will be seamlessly migrated to EasyStore. Before proceeding, ensure you have a complete backup of your J2Store data. Now click on the Start Migration button to start the migration process. Check this box if you have backed up your J2Store data and click on the Start Migration button. And that's it, your J2Store data has been migrated within just a few moments. You'll discover your J2Store's categories, tags, coupons, and orders neatly listed in EasyStore. All the products will appear on EasyStore's product page with their related settings and variants. Upon clicking on each product, you'll discover its variations and pertinent inventory details. But you have yet to view these products on your front end. Navigate to SP Page Builder from the Components menu and select EasyStore. Here, you'll need to create your storefront's layout to showcase your migrated products. This involves creating sections introducing add-ons and changing the add-in settings according to the structure of your online store to effectively showcase the products you've migrated. In case you're wondering how to create your storefront and single-page layout using SP Page Builder, don't worry. Check out our detailed tutorial on how to create your storefront's layout with SP Page Builder in the description box of this tutorial. Once the layout is set up, click on the Product List add-in and assign the category you want to display on your storefront. Since we aim to display all products, we are choosing the All Categories option. Don't forget to hit Save to preserve your layout. Similarly, create and customize your single product page to showcase each product individually. Now let's check out the final result. There you have it. All our products are now beautifully displayed on the front end. With EasyStore's seamless migration process, you can confidently transition your essential data from J2Store without any hassle. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.